Hello friend, welcome to Marine Engineering Hub. This is your narrator Ravi Gupta. In today's topic, we're gonna explain about what are the component of a GA engine. In today's topic, we will see that what do I mean by fuel gas supply system, gas valve unit, gas reloading unit, SGAV, nitrogen block, MBIV and fuel injection valve. So we will see through a series of diagrams that what are the different component. But the detailed explanation of the component will be done in the upcoming video. After that we will see that how this GA engine work, and after that we will see that how FGSS look like, and after that we will see that what are the component of GRU, SGAV and nitrogen purge block look like, and where it is fitted, how it is installed, and after that we will see the SGAV and then MBIV, and after that we will start one of the component, that is a fuel gas supply system, how this fuel gas supply system work. So before beginning the video, those who are new to this channel, I want to request to those of you that please do subscribe and please do hit the like button. Marine Engineering Hub is a channel on which we make video regarding the marine engine from basic to the advanced level, which will be very much helpful not only for the exam but also for the onboard ship management. So I hope this video will be beneficial for you. So let's begin the today video. Now if in an exam they ask you that what are the component of a GA engine, what do I mean by GA? GA means gas admission. So what are the component of gas admission engine? So the answer should be these 7 component. Now how these 7 component look like, so one by one we will see. Now let's see carefully this diagram. This diagram consists of fuel gas supply system, gas valve unit, gas regulating unit, safe gas admission valve and nitrogen block. Now as you can see here very carefully that a line, a separation line is been provided, which in which this side it is written hazardous area and this side it is written gas safe engine room area. Now from this is very clear that this part represent the engine room, this part represent the engine room and this part represent the outside of the engine room. Now the second thing which we need to see, that the piping, this is the single wall piping, means the single line indicate the pipeline single wall piping, and this double line indicate the double wall piping. So what do I mean by single wall and double wall? So basically it is double wall protected, that even if this single wall pipe fail, the double wall prevent the leakage. Okay, so that is double wall piping. After that the third thing which we need to see is this arrow indication, the red arrow indication and the blue arrow indication. The red arrow indication is basically what is it indicating? It is indicating the fuel, means the fuel from the fuel gas supply system is coming to the gas valve unit. From the gas valve unit it is going to a gas regulating unit, and after that it is going to the safe gas admission valve. Okay, now this blue, light blue color indicate the nitrogen block. From here when the whole system is not using the gas, means after the gas admission engine is being shut down, in that case the whole line is purged down. This is been done by a nitrogen block. Basically what it consists of, it consists of a nitrogen which purges all the thing from here and it is exiting out from the this point. So this is how this indicates. Now see this whole thing is component is in a engine room area, and these two components are outside the engine room area. Now see, this was a block diagram. Okay, now let's see the thing here. Now as you can see here, this is the scavenging, this is the gas admission, this is the ignition and this is the combustion. So what is happening? The first process, what is happening, the piston, this is the piston, the piston is below the scavenge port and the air is entering and the exhaust valve is open, and this is the MBIV, micro booster injection valve. Okay, and this is the safe gas admission valve. Okay, so as you can see, this is a safe gas admission valve, and this is a micro booster injection valve. So what is happening when the piston is at the BDC, the air is entering and removing the remaining exhaust, and after that, when the piston is just covering the scavenge port, after that this exhaust is also closed. Now the compression stroke begin. When the compression stroke begin, at that time what is happening, basically the safe gas admission valve is allowing the gas to enter. When the gas is enter, it mix with the air to form a gas air mixture. After it form a gas air mixture, this whole thing is been compressed. When the thing is been compressed, gas air mixture is been compressed, it temperature get risen up. Now when the temperature is been risen up, this temperature is not sufficient enough for auto ignition. For that reason, we are having a MBIV, micro booster injection valve, which is injecting a diesel. Basically, this MBIV is almost equivalent to the fuel injector, but the amount of oil which is injected is very small amount, only so that it is acting as a spark plug. Basically, what is happening, it is injecting, and as the temperature of this surrounding is enough for the diesel to ignite, and therefore it provide a primary combustion fuel, acting as a primary combustion fuel, and therefore increasing the overall temperature sufficient enough for the auto ignition of the gas mixer. So what do I say? Basically what is happening, when the piston when the piston has compressed the gas air mixture, the temperature is not reached sufficient enough. For helping the temperature to reach sufficient high enough, this micro booster injection valve is injecting the fuel, and as it is injecting the fuel is getting ignited. As the fuel is getting ignited, it will increase the overall temperature and the gas mixture will ignite, and as it will ignite, the power stroke begin and the piston move down. This is how this gas admission engine work. Now this here, as you can see here, this is a basically fuel gas supply system. Okay, now this diagram is very clear. As you can see here, this is the GRU, this is the safe gas admission valve, and this is the nitrogen block. One more thing you have seen here, that each cylinder consists of at least two safe gas admission valve, but this block diagram, GRU, in short form you can say gas regulating unit, GRU, and gas valve unit, GVU. So this GRU is basically 1 in number, and this nitrogen block also in 1 in number, but this safe gas admission valve is in individual cylinder. In individual cylinder liner, it is 2 in number. So if it is a 4 cylinder unit, it will be 4 into 2, 8 in number. Okay, so here is a GRU, here is a SGAV, safe gas admission valve, and here is the nitrogen block. This will only comes into the action when whole system is completely shut down and not in use, and will purge the remaining gas inside the pipe. Now this thing will come in picture to regulate the pressure, in the cylinder liner, and based on that regulate the amount of gas to be submitted, to be given to the individual cylinder. And SGAV is controlling the particular window period at which they are gonna inject the fuel. Okay, so this is how the basic synopsis is work. Now this SGAV is a very good engineering, consisting of window valve as well as gas admission valve. So how this thing works, I will be explaining in my upcoming video. Please do remain tuned. After that, this is the injector MBIV, which I was showing you here. Okay, this one. Okay, this one basically in detail it will be explained in the upcoming video. Basically it's almost the same like the fuel injector, but the amount of fuel which is being injected is very small in amount, and this MBIV concept is equivalent to the FBIV like methanol, but we will see the difference, okay, in the upcoming video. Just for time being, you should say that this micro booster injection valve main purpose is to inject fuel in a sufficient amount to reach the combustion temperature sufficient high enough for auto ignition. Okay, now this fuel gas supply system. This fuel gas supply system basically deliver low pressure gas to the engine fuel gas admission system separated by a gas valve unit. The FGSS system is located outside the engine room. There are three potential fuel gas supply solution for MEGA engine. One is a BOG, require a cryogenic compressor including a cooler to supply the required engine inlet pressure in a range of 5.5 to 13 bar depending on the engine load, NCV and rating. Now what is this BOG? Boil off gas. Okay, the gas which is boil off, that is being re-liquefied here. Okay, now the second option is the LNG supply, require a cryogenic pump and a vaporizer solution. Okay, LNG pump and a vaporizer solution. And third is the compressed natural gas, require a cryogenic compressor, requiring a cryogenic compressor. So three thing is there. Okay, the first two solution can be combined with a BOG reliquefaction system. So basically what is happening in normal case, this fuel gas supply system, the first foremost thing you should keep in mind, if anybody asks you that what are the specialty of a fuel gas supply system, so your answer should be that first thing is that it is located outside the engine room. How? It is located outside the engine room. As it is located outside the engine room, therefore it eliminate the need of double wall piping and therefore save in a cost. Second thing is that this fuel gas supply system basically consists of three arrangement. One is the BOG, second is the LNG, and third is the compressed natural gas. Based on that, it can be combined and different way through GVU it can supply to the generator and to the main engine. For example, let's see here, it is a LNG cargo tank and LNG supply pump. From here it is pumping, it is going to a vaporizer. From vaporizer it is parting in two part. One part is going to the main engine and other part is going to the generator, of course all through GVU. What is GVU? Gas valve unit. The second is the boil off gas is been reliquefied, and after being reliquefied it is been pumped through a compressor, and after that it is been used in a generator, or it is used in a main engine or in a generator. So this is how this fuel gas supply system work. I hope the concept, the basic concept of a component is clear. Now for detailed explanation of the component, it will be uploaded in the upcoming video. Please do remain tuned, and I guarantee that after watching the series of gas engine, your concept regarding the gas engine will be clear. If you want to know more, and if you want to make me more detailed video of a gas engine of particular thing, please do comment below. I will make the video. Now friend, please, those who are watching till now, I know that you have come to this channel for education purpose, so please help us to grow. Please do share our video in our WhatsApp, Facebook group, so that more people who want to learn, who have a intensity, who have a encouragement to learn, they can also know about this channel. That is the only aim of the channel. There is no main aim of money earning. So basically we are making only for the beneficial of a marine people. So please do help us, and please let us grow. Thank you friend, have a good day.